They sad. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. My swag they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'?
Hello and welcome to this video on cloud computing. In this video, we'll be discussing what cloud computing is, the different types of cloud computing, and the benefits and challenges of using the cloud. So, what is cloud computing? Simply put, cloud computing is the delivery of computing resources, including storage, processing power, networking, and software, over the internet. It allows individuals and businesses to access and use these resources on demand, without the need to purchase, maintain, and manage their own physical infrastructure. One of the key benefits of cloud computing is its ability to scale up or down as needed. This means that businesses can quickly and easily add or remove resources as their needs change, without the need to invest in additional hardware or software. This can help to reduce costs and increase flexibility. Another benefit of cloud computing is improved security. Cloud providers invest heavily in security measures to protect their data centers and the data they store. This can provide a higher level of security than many businesses could achieve on their own. There are three main types of cloud computing: public, private, and hybrid. Public cloud refers to a cloud computing model in which resources are provided by a third-party provider and made available to the general public over the internet. Public clouds are owned and operated by companies such as Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. These companies offer a range of computing resources and services that can be accessed on a pay-per-use basis. Private cloud refers to a cloud computing model in which resources are provided by a third-party provider, but are only made available to a single organization. Private clouds are typically used by large enterprises that want to have more control over their infrastructure and data. Private clouds can be hosted on premises, in a data center owned and operated by the organization, or off-premises, in a data center owned and operated by a third-party provider. Hybrid cloud refers to a cloud computing model that combines the benefits of both public and private clouds. It allows organizations to take advantage of the scalability and cost-effectiveness of the public cloud, while also maintaining control over sensitive data and applications in a private cloud. Cloud computing has a number of different deployment models, including infrastructure as a service, IaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, and software as a service, SaaS. IaaS refers to the delivery of computing infrastructure, including servers, storage, and networking, over the internet. With IaaS, organizations can rent these resources on a pay-per-use basis, without the need to purchase and maintain their own hardware. PaaS refers to the delivery of a platform that includes both hardware and software infrastructure, as well as tools and frameworks, to develop, test, and deploy applications. PaaS allows organizations to focus on developing their applications, rather than worrying about maintaining the underlying infrastructure. SaaS refers to the delivery of software over the internet, typically on a subscription basis. With SaaS, organizations can access and use software applications, such as customer relationship management, CRM, or enterprise resource planning, ERP, without the need to purchase and maintain the software themselves. While cloud computing has many benefits, it's important to consider the potential challenges as well. One of the main concerns is the issue of vendor lock-in, where an organization becomes dependent on a single provider for its computing resources. This can make it difficult and costly to switch to a different provider if the organization's needs change or if the relationship with the current provider deteriorates. Another challenge is the issue of security. While cloud providers invest heavily in security measures, there have been instances where data has been compromised or lost due to security breaches. This can be a concern for organizations that store sensitive data in the cloud. Another challenge is the issue of internet connectivity. While cloud computing relies on the internet to access and use resources, if there is an interruption in internet service, it can impact an organization's ability to access and use those resources. Despite these challenges, cloud computing has become increasingly popular in recent years due to its many benefits, including the ability to scale up or down as needed, lower costs, increased flexibility, and improved security. It has also enabled organizations to shift their focus from managing hardware and software to leveraging the power of the cloud to drive innovation and growth. In conclusion, cloud computing is a revolutionary way to access and use computing resources, and has become an essential part of modern business. Whether you're a small startup looking to scale up quickly, or a large enterprise looking to streamline your operations, cloud computing has something to offer. It's important to carefully consider the benefits and challenges of using the cloud, and to choose a provider that meets your organization's specific needs. Thank you for watching this video on cloud computing. I hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below.